Happy Monday, Huskies. Thanks for joining me for another Mondays with Mrs. Blair. Today what we're going to do is we're going to tie-dye coffee filters. Stay tuned to see the supplies you need and the easy steps to make it. Okay, so now we're ready to gather our supplies for our tie-dye coffee filter art project. Now, the very first thing you need is a white coffee filter. You need washable markers and a surface to work on. You also need just a tiny bit of water, and paper towel is really nice to have. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your white coffee filter and you're going to fold it in half. Now, using the markers that you want, the colors that you want, you're going to draw a design. I recommend staying away from the colors black and brown because it will make your tie-dye look muddy. I chose just some bright colors that I thought worked together. Now you can create a design and you're only drawing it on half of the coffee filter. I already pre-did mine, so here is my design for the tie-dye. Now you're thinking, wait a minute, that doesn't look like tie-dye, and the other side really doesn't have anything on it. Well, here comes the fun part with that little bit of water. I am going to warn you that the marker color will get a little bit on your fingers, but it will wash off. Now, once you have folded in half, you're going to fold it in half one more time. Okay, kind of looks like a wedge. Then, if you want, you can fold it one more time. The cool thing is we're only dipping the tip of the coffee filter into the water, and then over your cardboard, you're going to gently pull it down. You don't want to put too much water on it because all of the colors will bleed too much. And also, you have to remember that a coffee filter is made out of paper, so if it gets too wet, it can rip. A little bit more water, and we are done. The exciting part now is when you open it up. Again, you want to open it up carefully so that you don't rip your filter. Once it's open, you can see the tie-dye pattern, and then you're going to lay it on your paper towel to dry. Once your coffee filter tie-dye project is dry, you can think what to make with it. What if you fold it into a butterfly? What if you write a cool word or your name on it? The sky's the limit. Thanks for joining me for another Mondays with Mrs. Blair.